gotta order the coffee at Jerbugs. We don't know if we push the button. I think they automatically talk to us when they're ready.
Medium twisted and medium grass. I mean, you want medium Twix, I'm saying?
I want medium Twix. Alright guys, we're on a mission. We're on a mission, right? Where are we going, Dash? Yeah, we're on a mission to find
Santa
Claus.
Twix.
What did we find? Hey, what did we find in the parking lot over here? What did it look like? We're gonna go check it out, okay? Oh, come this way. Jedediah, this way. Maybe he wants to talk to you. Stay together, boys. Sawyer, who is that? Who did we find? Santa's got a mask on? Oh, well, he doesn't want to catch coronavirus, does he? Here, we're going to get in line and go talk to Santa. That's so fun! Dog! What do you got going over here, guys? Coolville! Hey, that's awesome! That's awesome! It's cold?
Yeah.
What'd you get in your bag? Is that a cocoa bomb?
Yeah.
No way! We've never done one of those! A cocoa bomb!
What do you think?
You pour, I guess, milk on it and it explodes into hot chocolate. Yeah.
Mom, you don't put them in. And milk and then you don't blow them to hot chocolate.
Sawyer, look what's at this table. She's got breakfast.
Donuts and fruit cups.
Say cheese. I can't see your smile. Nice. Let me help you guys.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Say Merry Christmas.
Rudolph, my dear,
Say thank you so much.
forecast ain't clear. So will you please light my way and lead this
They're not for kids.
sleigh?
I can't.
Oh, here, put that in there. We'll eat it in a minute. Well, in a minute. Let's finish visiting. Okay, put it in your bag.
Sleigh ride will end.
Put it in your bag.
Rudolph, my man, you're the only one who can save the day. Say yeah or nay.
Got chocolate.
Now will you pull my sleigh?
Can we go with you? Say thank you. No, you already got some, silly. Let's save some. Save some.
office during the week.
Okay, we'll open one for you to eat. Yeah, Santa cookie. What you got, Brooks? Did you get a Santa cookie?
Rudolph, my boy,
You put this in milk?
now don't
That's so
you
cool.
act so coy.
Cocoa bomb.
Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear,
We will. Look at what these pretty boxes are.
Hi guys!
Say hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Alright, we got a few different things here, guys. We got Grinch cookies and we got cookie decorating kits.
Oh.
Hey, you guys want some Grinch cookies? Yeah, here, open up the bag and I'll put it in there.
Yeah, I'll hold on too.
Ready? No.
So cute. So cute, Tell me again, what? Almost. Is this a game?
I need to go to Santa. I'll put one in here first. Ready?
Say cheese, Miss Stephanie.
I'm an elf today.
What do we do with that?
That's snowman soup. It's a hot cocoa kit.
How cute.
Want me to put one in your bag too? There you go. Oh, we got the little ones.
Present Santa.
Jedediah is staring down your dog. It's a good photo of you guys.
Santa.
Hey Sawyer, look! It's the firemen! Oh, they came to see Santa too! Oh, you want to go see the fire truck? We're gonna go see the fire truck right now. Careful. Go with Daddy. Where are you going? Woo! Yes, the fireman hat.
Ladies, you want a red or a pink? You guys hold on. You want to stand to the side so that they can
Good job, Sawyer.
Thank you.
Was that cool?
No, I didn't want to pick me down. I can't do it by myself.
Well, I know. Sometimes you need help, though. Thank you. You got to go in a fire truck. Is that cool, Brooks?
This is your hat.
Say thank you. You put it on?
I'm playing with my tears in here. Hey, I want Miss Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Jedediah. Let's go bye-bye. You go in the car? Are you sad to leave Santa? Are you happy to go home? No. Oh. Take your shoes off. That'll make it better, right? Okay. Here's your box, Jed. Can I have the car? Because we're going to decorate cookies. Wait for Brooks. Alright, what do we got in the box? Now, those ladies from Daddy's work were so nice to make you, cookie decorating boxes. Not upside down. Not upside down.
Whoa, these.
What do we got? Okay, let's check out. So we got some sprinkles, but what do the sprinkles go on? Ooh, icing bags. Let's lay it all out. So now, look, let's lay everything out. We got white icing and red icing and green icing. Oh wow, and sprinkles. Yeah, it's in your box. Okay, and here's your cookies that we're gonna decorate. Oh, and look, some spreaders and some toothpicks to make design. This is our DIY cookie kit.
Could I put this?
Yeah.
Put this on
So make sure we knead our icing. Make sure there's no clumps or hard places in it. So squish our icing piece.
Hey,
and then we're
Mommy,
gonna decorate
when
them.
I do this, then this, it comes back up. Mommy, when I do this and this.
Okay, so that's the first step. Did everybody get there?
Mommy, look! When I
It's right there. Now, get cookies open. Get your cookies open. I'm going to help you, Sawyer. So that, yeah, there's your sprinkles.
I have my sprinkles. Hey, mine are talking. Hey, sprinkles.
Okay. Alright, so we have cut the cookies out of their wrappers. And we got the tips cut off our icing bag. Don't eat it yet. You got to put sprinkles on. Little boys are decorating. Wow, Brooks, that's a good job. Dash, good job. Alright, Sawyer, oh, that's a lot of sprinkles. Use your spoons. Yeah, Jed, what do you think? Yeah? Let's try some white icing. And put some white icing on it. Oh, it's the red one I cut open. Red and green for you. Whoop. Some good cookie decorating. Wow, Dash looks good. Hey, Brooks, I like that. Are those ornaments? Alright, you got these sprinkles too, Sawyer. I would use your paddle and scoop them out. Keep it over to the table here. Good job, Sawyer. That's beautiful. Good job.
Now I can eat that.
You ready to eat it? Do you want to use some of these first? Back at it, Jed. I'm not sure that's wise for a 1-year-old. Icing out of the bag.
Like this?
Yeah, we're not gonna. No. Look, here. There's some sprinkles. Decorate with them. Done?
Yep.
Alright.
Eat it now?
Sure. We need to get a paper towel for Jed.
And here, Joey.
Did you make a sprinkle mess? There's a bunch of sprinkles. Huh? All gone? All gone sprinkles. Oh. Okay, we're gonna give a shout out, guys, to where we got the ladies got the cookie decorating kits. These are from the Sweet Skye Baking Company. Yeah. They did a good job putting those together, didn't they? Looks like boy approved. You're a cookie artist.
Yummy. That's started.
Got organized setup over here on this end. It's different from the other end. Yeah. It's craziness down there. Let's see what you got. Nice. Nice. You still got some cookies to go.
Jenny just. Trying to scoop this. He doesn't know about the decorating. He just wants to eat. Mommy, look, it has eyes for snowman.
Oh, that's what they're for.
Yeah.
I think
I didn't get any. So you use them?
Jed used the eyes for an ornament. Sawyer, are you eating straight out icing? No.
No, put this on.
Is it good? Some thick icing.
I know. Well, everybody does it.
Are you all done? All done?
Why?
Not sure this is healthy.
What? Now.
A lot of icing.
Well, on your picture, where you are looking, you can see the color.
I can see that thick icing, so thick. Does it taste good?
Yep. This spoon has static sprinkles.
Static sprinkles. How are you gonna get them on the cookie? Oh, you're just gonna lick them off. That takes care of the static, doesn't it? Nice. You all done, Dash? Let's see what you got. Ah, so cute. Show me yours, Brooks.
I'm looking at icing on.
Awesome. You haven't done your snowman yet. We'll do that later.
My
Good work, boys.
icing.